Hi, I'm Roxy, and this is your weekly Growth Pulse, powered by GrowthRocks. Get ready for the latest growth marketing trends, hacks, and updates, all in one place. Let's go. We begin today's bulletin with Threads reaching a significant milestone of 500 million monthly active users, introducing a new Your Algo tool that gives users more control over their feed and expanding community features to enhance discovery. This update, alongside expanded live chats and dedicated community hubs, positions Threads as a formidable competitor to other social platforms, prioritizing personalization and user-driven experiences. Now, let's go to Google's major announcement, the launch of Android 17, bringing new multitasking tools and enhanced artificial intelligence features to Pixel devices and Wear OS smartwatches. Notably, Gemini-driven tools now allow for real-time music creation, video editing, live translation, and even emergency detection on Pixel watches, reinforcing Google's commitment to integrating artificial intelligence deeply into daily device use. In other headlines, SpaceX briefly surpassed Amazon to become the fifth most valuable company worldwide, reaching a peak valuation of $2.9 trillion following its initial public offering and new artificial intelligence-driven partnerships. The rapid surge was fueled by historic new deals, including the acquisition of Cursor and expanded collaboration with leading artificial intelligence firms, despite SpaceX posting significant financial losses last year. Let's shift our attention to a new industry study revealing that 60% of United States consumers find the use of artificial intelligence in brand messaging off-putting. The report also found that most people still prefer transparent, human-authored content and value original sources, highlighting the delicate balance companies must strike between artificial intelligence visibility and building audience trust. Meanwhile, in another development, Microsoft is rolling out advanced artificial intelligence citation metrics in Bing Webmaster Tools, including the citation share feature. This allows publishers to measure what percentage of artificial intelligence citations their site receives for specific queries, giving marketers new insights into their content's performance in artificial intelligence-powered search environments. Next, we take a look at the evolving landscape of content creation. As Meta's Edits app introduces a new desktop version and an artificial intelligence-powered production assistant. These enhancements aim to streamline video editing workflows for creators and social media marketers, offering guidance through analytics and performance tips while integrating trending content inspiration into project management. Here's what else is happening. New research confirms Reddit advertising campaigns significantly boost performance, both within the platform and beyond. Media and entertainment brands saw a return on ad spend of $6.85, along with higher engagement and extended viewing times, demonstrating Reddit's growing influence as a driver of both conversation and consumer action across digital platforms. And finally, we turn to the latest best practices in search engine optimization, as outlined by recent expert analysis. Marketers are now encouraged to look beyond traditional keyword gaps, exploring visibility on artificial intelligence search platforms and monitoring competitor presence in social discussions, forums, and video platforms to close visibility gaps and sharpen their competitive advantage. That's a wrap for this week's Growth Pulse. I'm Roxy. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep growing with GrowthRocks. See you next time.